Soft Hues, Demystified, a colorful journey. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the world of colors and phrases, and uncover the meaning behind the term, soft hues. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this phrase but also be able to use it in your daily conversations. Soft hues consists of two words, soft and hues. Soft. When we say something is soft, we usually mean it's gentle, subdued, or not harsh. In the context of colors, soft refers to colors that are muted or not very bright. Hues are essentially colors or shades. It's a term that refers to the dominant color family of a specific shade. So, when combined, soft hues essentially means gentle or muted colors. To help you visualize, let's talk about a few examples. Imagine a sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky is painted in soft hues of pink, lavender, and peach. These are not bright or overpowering colors, but gentle and soothing to the eyes. Think of a pastel-themed party. The decorations might be in soft hues like mint green, baby blue, and pale pink. Again, these are muted and delicate shades. To solidify your understanding, let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. 1. She painted her room in soft hues to create a calming atmosphere. 2. The designer's new collection is dominated by soft hues which make it perfect for spring. 3. I love the soft hues of the morning sky. And there you have it. The next time you see muted and gentle colors around you, remember the phrase, soft hues. We hope this colorful journey has been enlightening for you. Until next time, keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary. Happy learning!